All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit about the Everlast cable connection and how we're going to take what's given to you from us from a hypertherm perspective and making it work for the Everlast. Now, one of the critical things here is you don't need this plug anymore, so go ahead and snip the wire. But before you do the snipping of the wire, we need to sort of break down the components. So let's talk about this. You have to forgive, some of these cables are crossed. Okay, there we go. All right, let's talk about this here. This right here is the plasma on off. So just the static DB9 cable that runs directly into this is the plasma on and off. We can go ahead and cut that off right there and strip it out because it does have two exposed leads, and we'll get to that one. The second one, and I should also mention lastly with this one, this plugs into the P port on the plasma cutter. This over here, this second loop, goes into the back end of the THC. Now here's a critical thing about the THC when it comes to the Everlast. We are going to move these two here, 1 and 2, and move them out to negative, out to positive. So we have red to positive, black to negative. Because we're going to be using raw arc voltage as opposed to DV, which is the divided arc voltage. THCs with the Everlast, with the Proma THC works better with the raw arc voltage. So we're going to take these two and push them out into their outmost position. We won't do anything on this side of it. This just goes into the T port on the control box. That being said, we have 1 and 2. And if you follow the instructions on the pinout based on the pinout for your machine, which in this case is likely going to be an Everlast, but if you have a different style, most of these systems will give you a schematic of the breakout of the pin itself, and we'll be able to adjust for that. So 2 wires off of this, 2 wires off of this, both leading into this plug. Go ahead and snip, strip, and prepare to attach those to your CPC plug.